Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Sunday, February 12th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. We have 3 birthdays in our family on this day. All right, February 12th, every year we have 3 birthdays. It's my birthday, it's my brother-in-law's birthday, and it's my little nephew's birthday. So what we do is we usually have a big day-long celebration at my mother's house. And today, not only did we have a birthday party for all of us, we actually got 3 new team members for LiveGood. All right, and I'm going to tell you how this worked out. I wore this shirt right here, all right, to the birthday gathering, and about, I don't know, a couple hours, this afternoon, my niece, she's about 19, maybe 19 or 20, she said, "Uncle Russ, what is LiveGood? I love the logo." And I started talking to her about LiveGood and telling her what it was. Well, her boyfriend was listening in, and then my sister came in, and everybody started asking me questions about LiveGood, so I started answering them for them. And I was telling them how, my wife, Tina and I, we've been using the product since the end of December. We're feeling great, losing weight, have a lot of energy. And so my niece was like, "Oh my gosh, I want in on this company." So my niece is going to join under my wife. Her boyfriend's going to join. And then my sister's going to join. Okay? So the point of this quick video is that this t-shirt, if I wasn't wearing this t-shirt today, nobody would have asked me about LiveGood. And I probably wouldn't have told them about LiveGood just because, we were having many conversations. There's a whole bunch of us. There was probably about, 20 people altogether. Throughout the day. So, I wasn't really thinking about LiveGood because we were conversing about so many other different things. But the funniest thing of all is when I was talking about LiveGood, I checked my phone afterwards and I got a sign up. So not only did I get a sign up today from somebody I don't know. I don't know. They came from YouTube. But we're going to sign up 3 new team members, all right, underneath my wife. So my wife, her leg is all of our family, and it's just great. So if you haven't gotten yourself a LiveGood t-shirt or a hat yet, I highly recommend you do so because people are interested in finding ways to make money online. Now, my niece works at Walmart, okay, so what she does is she fulfills people's pickup orders, and then she delivers them, okay, out to the parking lot. And that's what she does. And she makes, I think she gets about $18 an hour to do it and full benefits. But her and her boyfriend are looking to buy property to build a house. And so they don't have to pay rent anymore. And she said, "Uncle Russ, this is going to be a great way. I can share it with people I know. And over time have, as the matrix fills, make money." And, so she was super excited about it. They were both excited about it. And then my sister was really excited about it once once she started listening into the conversation. So, folks, you don't just have to promote LiveGood online. There's lots of ways to do it offline as well. And just having a simple t-shirt, like the one you see here on the screen, the one that I'm wearing, brought in a couple signups tonight. So, if you haven't gotten yourself a t-shirt yet, get yourself a t-shirt, okay? And a hat, and the shaker bottle, and try all the products, okay? So, anyway, I hope everyone had a great day. I just wanted to let you know this little story because you never know who's going to ask you about LiveGood. You never know who's going to join you. And, it's just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in at this level, at this moment in time, right? Right at the beginning. We launched globally 7 weeks ago. So, anyway, if you have any questions about LiveGood, leave them down in the comments section below. If you're interested in joining LiveGood or learning more about it, click on the link in the description box. You'll be taken over to my tour page that looks just like this. All right, we have a 5-minute, 55-second video here that you can watch. It tells you all about the company and how everything works. You can reserve your position in our force matrix by putting your first and last name here and entering your email address and clicking reserve my position now. It's free to do so, and you can opt out anytime. All right, so that's it for this quick video. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.